Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and play new version of Delta Executor on your PC. So let's start the video. So when you go to Delta Executor official website, it shows here the files of Android and iOS. These are the latest files, the updated versions. So if you want to play it on PC, you have to use Emulator to play it. So the best emulator is BlueStacks. Open your Google and search BlueStacks. Click on the first website. Now download BlueStacks by clicking here. Once the setup is downloaded, install the setup. Now back to Delta Executor official website. Download the Android file from here. Click on Android. Scroll down, and here's the option of download. Click on it. Now, free download. Again, scroll down, and here's the download option. Click on it again. Free download. And the file will be downloaded. Once the APK file is downloaded, go to BlueStacks that you've installed, and there you will see the option of Install APK Files. Click on it, and then import this APK file of Delta Executor on BlueStacks. It'll start installing the game on BlueStacks. Once the game is installed, open the game and play. So that's how you can download and play new version of Delta Executor on your PC. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe the channel for more videos.